Welcome back to the Wide Format Sales Mastery Series. I'm Art Post, and today we're going to do something that most copier salespeople never get the opportunity to do. We're going to take the covers off the Canon image Prograph printers. Don't worry, I'm not turning you into a technician. Your customer doesn't expect you to repair the machine, but they absolutely expect you to understand what you're selling. The more you understand how these printers work, the easier it becomes why Canon consistently delivers outstanding print quality, reliability, and low operating costs. Today, we're going to go inside the printer a little bit, and we're going to talk about why understanding the hardware matters. One of the biggest mistakes salespeople make is memorizing specs off a brochure, a PDF, a website. Clients don't buy specifications, they buy confidence. When an engineer asks why Canon colors stay so consistent, when an engineer asks why Canon's colors stay so consistent, or when an architect asks how often a print heads need replacing, and even when a surveyor asks why one printer costs more than another. Those aren't brochure questions. Those are confidence building questions. So let's build that confidence. The print head, the heart of the Canon printers. If the print head were a human body, the print head would be the heart. Everything starts here. Canon manufactures its own thermal print heads. That may not sound exciting, but it does matter. Some manufacturers purchase printhead technology from outside suppliers. Canon designs and prints its own. That means they control resolution, inklet droplet size, placement accuracy, reliability, and print speed. So imagine trying to print a blueprint with thousands of tiny paintbrushes that are firing inklet droplets at incredible speeds. That's exactly what's happening with the Canon printhead. Each nozzle places microscopic droplets exactly where they belong. The result is sharp CAD lines, smooth gradients, beautiful photographic prints, consistent engineering drawings that will wow your client. Your customer isn't buying ink, they're buying precision. So when we talk about ink starts in large cartridges. Depending upon the model, Canon offers different cartridge capacities so clients can match supplies to their printing volume. Low printing volume, smaller ink cartridges. Higher print volume, maybe medium or maybe high yield inkjet cartridges. From the cartridge, the ink travels through the sealed delivery lines directly to the printhead. This closed system keeps contamination to a minimum and ensures a steady flow of ink. One feature the clients appreciate is that many Canon models support hot swappable ink tank. So what that means is when one ink cartridge is empty or low, the printer can continue printing while the empty tank is replaced, which saves an incredible amount of time. No print jobs are interrupted, no wasted media, no frustrated clients. For architectural firms and engineering companies, that translates directly into improved productivity. So I guess next we can go down the path of the media, all right, the paper handling. So we'll talk a little bit about the media. And I like to say media over paper Especially when you get into media, there's lots of different substrates. All right. Customers today don't print on just bond paper anymore. They print on coated stock, glossy media, matte film, mylar, canvas, adhesive vinyl, poster paper, and heavy presentation stock. Canon's media path is designed to move those materials smoothly while maintaining accuracy. The straighter the media path, the less stress on the paper. The more accurate the image, the fewer jams. That's especially important when printing large engineering drawings that need exact dimensions. Now we can talk about the roll handling for the machine. One feature every client loves is the dual roll capability on many Canon systems. A lot of architects and engineers will print two different paper roll sizes. They can use 24, our architects can use 24 by 36 and 30 by 42s, whereas engineering companies will still use 24 by 36, but they'll also use 36 by 48, which is E size. Each roll can hold up to 36-inch wide media. So instead of constantly changing paper, the users can go back and forth between roll 1 or roll 2. Or maybe in some cases, they may have a roll of coated paper in stock. The printer automatically selects the roll. Less operator intervention, fewer mistakes, higher productivity. Small feature equals big client benefits. So many of the image prograph systems become complete MFPs by adding Canon's large format scanners. Now, most of your clients aren't just printing, they're scanning, they're copying, they're archiving, digitizing decades of paper drawings. Engineering firms often have thousands of paper blueprints that need to be searchable digital files. Municipalities need to preserve historical records. Construction companies mark up plans electronically. Sometimes they'll need to scan as-built. The scanner becomes just as valuable as the printer. Remember, many clients don't realize they're shopping for an information management solution. And believe it or not, that's what we've got. They think they're shopping for a printer. The software in the machine is pretty amazing when you come down to everything. Canon software makes the hardware better. This is where many salespeople stop talking, but you don't need to stop talking. The software can close the deal. Canon provides tools for print job management, accounting, color management, driver optimization, cloud printing, scan workflows, and poster creation. Good software can reduce mistakes, improve productivity, provide accountability, and helps integrate the printer into the client's existing workflow. I'm not sure if you remember our earlier episode, Sell the Workflow, not just a printer. We can talk a little about maintenance made simple. Clients often worry about maintenance. If it breaks, who's going to fix it? Who's going to answer the phone? Are they going to come out right away? But one of the pluses of Canon designed these systems with ease of ownership in mind. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Ink cartridges are simple to replace. Many wear items are designed for quick service. Automatic nozzle checks help maintain print quality. Built-in maintenance routines keep the printer performing consistently. And that's one of the points that I delve on, because sometimes I'll get a user that says, well, we really don't print that much. And I had an inkjet printer once, and I'm afraid that this Canon will operate the same way, where I got to go and clean the heads and purge the ink, and it's such a waste of time. But the Canon actually has a program in the machine that will actually go through maintenance checks to keep that flow of ink consistent, So clients don't have to do the nozzle checks, the purging of ink like they did with their older inkjet technology. So these built-in maintenance routines can keep the printer performing consistently. And when combined with a strong dealer maintenance program, clients gain peace of mind knowing that they can stay focused on their business instead of worrying about the printer. So here's some common questions. How long does the printhead last? Well, it depends on print volume and usage, but Canon designs them for long service life without proper maintenance. What I usually see is anywhere from, and again, volume comes into play, but anywhere from that 18-month to 24-month time frame. And they'll also ask, well, can I replace the ink while it's printing? On many models, yes. We spoke about that earlier. Can it print on a heavy media? Absolutely. Does it scan? Yeah, most of your MFPs will scan. Can it print photos and CAD drawings? Absolutely. One printer can handle both tech documents and presentation graphics, whereas architects like to hear the word renderings. So those are all powerful selling points. Today's goal wasn't to turn you into a service tech, but it was to help you understand what happens inside the machine every time your client presses print. When you understand the workings of the Canon image prograph, you stop talking about features. You start explaining benefits. Years ago, there was we used what's called FAB, feature, advantage, and benefit. So when you start explaining the benefits, you can turn that into a real conversation of how the Canon will win every single time. And that's what separates trusted advisors from product presenters. Product presenters are those that just read off the PDF or read off the brochure or memorize the specs. In our next episode, we'll shift gears and talk about one of the most important skills of wide format sales rep, how to spot. I'll leave that for our next meeting, but I want to thank Canon Image Prograph and National Azon for supporting our video. And we'll see you next time. And if you need a Canon Image Prograph, be sure to call National Azon for all of your wide format needs with Canon. Thanks, everyone.